A 345 milliwatt light bulb, right? So that is, the power is 0.345 watts. Draws 12.8 milliamps of current, so the current is 0.0128 amps, right? Is that right? 1, 2, 3. I still move the decimal point. It was dangerous for me. What is the resistance? Oh, okay. So we've got power and current. We want resistance. I think we're going to use this guy. P is I squared R. Right? So 0.345 is equal to 0.0128 squared times our resistance. Okay, so 0.345 divided by 0.0128 squared. And I get that the resistance is 2105.7 ohms.